A lot of kids here.
I love everybody. I love everyone except for y'all.
Bullshit. You don't love everybody. Don't lie. Don't lie, Justin.
Y'all ain't got no love. Trust me. Y'all get no love or respect from me. Trust me.
Trust me. Cupcake, you got love for me. See, you don't love everybody. Don't fucking lie about it. See?
What? Wait, I didn't hear you.
I said you got love for me and you said no. So therefore, don't lie.
How do I trust you? How do I trust you when all your friends beat me up in the basement?
I told you to get out of seat to get hit by a car.
Right, but I still don't trust you because you were them.
That's not my fault.
Listen, you're guilty by association.
Oh, that's all.
Oh, yo, you are.
You're guilty by association, right? Oh.
Which is what?
Which is what?
Because you guys have this vision. You have this crazy vision of what Black Lives Matter is. Which is what? Which is what? How am I ignorant? How? I live in cars. I live in cars. The city is like that because our city does not take care of the public. Nothing burned down. Nothing burned down. Hey, little mystery.
For those of you just now showing up, we are in Vancouver, Washington, down by Esther Shore Park. A group of Patriot individuals, Patriot Prayer, Joy Gibson's down here, a couple Proud Boys down here, a couple different groups. Are outside of Esther Shore Park where the police have closed it down. There's a police line over there. There's also a couple squad cars that just showed up. And the Patriot group is here to stand against the alleged Antifa invasion that is supposed to be taking place tonight.
Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Trick or treat, little guy! I have some candy. Actually, he said that when Blanket Girl shows up, I can yell at her. So, that's not funny. Because if she comes over here, I'm really not going to stand here and just listen to her. Okay? FYI. Oh, that guy wasn't a cop? Oh. Why don't let me think that was a cop, okay? Oh my God, your mother raised a great girl. Your boobs are hanging out. You're just sloppy, messy.
Voice is annoying.
And then you get fucked with the
I'm not about to ask you doing anything wrong.
You sound like Charlie Brown.
Hey, stay out of the road, princess!
There we go!
My question is why I've seen all over like these guys.
That's the choice of the news. And I can tell you.
And who's fucking corrupt? Just as corrupt as anybody else. It's terrible. It's terrible.
What they do to pin us against one another is incredible.
They should all go to prison.
Here's what's going to happen tonight, right? Most of these major news networks, they're going to find the worst moments
Because they make
from
money.
your side and yours. And they're going to put it everywhere, right? And they're not going to show our conversation. They're going to show us talking right now, right? And I'm willing to have this conversation. But I'm also willing to leave here and step up here and get into a some face. Somebody's not helping me. You know why? Because Jerry Gibson has put in.
So you know what's funny? Somehow, I don't know how he did it, but he somehow got my phone. Now, I've heard.
I had nothing to do with that. I was never
So
a cat person. I did not jump into
this guy over here backing away just poured something on his back. So that's how stuff gets started. It looks like pee in the bottle, to be honest. Yeah, it looks like pee in that bottle. No, it's more red. I don't know what it is, but it's gross. So he just pulled out bear mace or mace of some sort right now.
Go! Hey, they're going to get a gun. Go! They're going to get a gun. Go! That was like fuck. Why are you really saying that? You want some water? Justin, I have some water for you. I have some water for you. Okay, well, I'm just... Throw that at her!
Through a Red Bull can. Got some more stuff going on over here. Oh, sorry.
All right. I got some.
Hi, Chuck!
Yes, thank you guys very much for your support. It definitely helps me still continue to do this good stuff. So they're yelling at, there's people guarding. I don't know if you guys can see them or not if I turned it in time, but there's people guarding that building back there. That's who they were yelling at, calling Nazis. I'm really surprised about how many people are here. Some people eating food. A lot of people coming out of the restaurant there videotaping. Sounds like a whole line of police vehicles are on their way. Might get interesting.
That's in case we didn't hear them.
Yeah. All right, that was interesting. So he just called all white people to the front to push the police. Shields to the front. So their logic is that the police are outnumbered, so they'll be able to push the police and go on the freeway if they want to. So we've got a police line there. We have a police line over here. And here's the protesters. I will say that Vancouver PD, or the police officers' numbers that are here right now, are considerably smaller than what they're used to in Portland. It'll be interesting to see how this goes. I will note it looks like we're going to try to get ahead of the cops. We have a lot more law enforcement coming up behind us.
I've been spewing hate since you got into my fucking chat. Huh? Your little 50 viewers? Huh? Is that why you're hating?
We have law enforcement up here blocking the on-ramp. I guess also, it's weird. I don't understand why. A lot more law enforcement's coming up. Looks like they're hitting the freeway. It's weird. The riot van that was previously here is still heading down Mill Plain. There is a police line here after all. So let's see what happens. They're blocking the street. Looks like this is where they might be making their stand. So we got Patriot folks right here, right up front.
Thank you very much. Being black is harder than BPD! 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 Have you done it, stupid? How do you spell Nazi? How do you spell Nazi?
They're fucking eyewitnesses.
Don't touch it. No, don't touch him. He's not working. Don't touch him. De-escalate. Hey.
So it sounded like some tires just got slashed or something happened. It sounded like a gas dispersing. So, I mean, sounded like a tire got slashed or something. I don't know what. Oh, police tire got slashed.
What are they?
Yeah. They left the rig out here and slashed the tires. Looks like after that happened, everybody's
Come on, let's go.
taking a walk.
Move up. Let's go. Where's the room?
This car behind them here is hold them off. It's not letting them back up. So now they've pinned him. There's nowhere for him to go.
Washington DSX 4376 is the license plate.
Watch out!
Watch out!
Honestly, I'm surprised they haven't slashed his tires yet. It's usually one of the first things they do. But they're all calling the cops right now, so that's interesting on itself.
That car's just tried to run. Watch out! What did you say?
Be careful, he got strapped. He's strapped up.
Everybody. Lovely place to come and visit, except for not really. Portland's homeless population keeps moving north, and Portland's population keeps moving north. No, we're not in a residential area. We're on the side of the residential area, though. This wall right here, there's houses on the other side of that. We're actually coming down to the homeless area. So we got sheriff's departments over here. Everybody just dropped their cones. They just moved those.
officer. Don't know what you're talking about. I'm just raising my
Why are we allowing every ground? Burn the precinct to the ground! Why are we doing every town? Burn the precinct to the ground! Every city, every town! Burn the precinct to the ground! America is black! Monday, 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 America is black! Monday.
So now I can see some of you again. We're in Vancouver, Washington. There's the flag. What's left of the flag after they ripped it off the flagpole. Like he's trying to about as half-assed a board-up job of his I think I've ever seen. It's interesting. They're literally just placed there. Got more law enforcement over there. Wow. Hey, whatever, if it works. Oh, some of them are screwed up. Okay. Still. Pay for effort.
From the body shop, Ginger.
So there's a line of police blocking this street. Strange. Some people just walked by them. Guess I found out where the police went. We got more law enforcement showing up, it looks like. I'm gonna do a lap really quick, show you guys what's going on here.
What I have them do is
Coming through, make a hole.
out of the street, out of the street.
Make a hole. They gotta go shoulder to shoulder now. Shoulder to shoulder.
Oh, fucking face mask down. Wait, did you guys just load your lineup from one side?
They did. That's cool. This is like synchronized training.
Now we got this group over here as well. There's nobody on that side. So it looks like there's gonna be a chick fight just started. Oh, they're throwing punches. Like legit punches.
This is a park.
So this girl here in the white shirt, she was
It's not worth it. Hey, this isn't
That's my home! He shot at that guy! You I stopped it!
Let him rumble. I don't know. She screamed. Hey, we don't know the proof. We don't know the proof. We don't know the proof. Let's just let this be. Let this be. This ain't worth it, guys. Just let it be. This isn't worth it. Let it be.
so watch me be a good citizen right now. Oh. You're looking for your hat? You're looking for your hat? Is this your hat? There you go. You bet. Making friends wherever I go, so they don't start to throw stuff at me. As you know, they do not like me. Come on, bro. It's like they're still having conversations. That's cool. All right, looks like they're having a powwow. That's how I want to film from now on. So for all you guys donating, I hope you realize that that's what I'm going to be buying. I'm going to be purchasing one of those so I can film on that from now on. Maybe
Need some slingshot something.
so we're heading back to the right. There should be police there. So, oh, there's more glass breaking. I heard glass actually shatter at that point. It'll be the same. So they're not doing anything yet. I'm surprised they haven't declared it an unlawful emergency or unlawful assembly yet. It's quite surprising. So there's people yelling back there saying there's more cops coming. Looks like a possible kettling situation. Police just made a line over here to the left.
And they want streamers over there to record. We don't need them to record. We have part of our comrades who do our motorcade need streaming right now.
They're not currently burning a flag. They did tear down a flag off of the State Patrol building, State Patrol Crime Lab. They ripped the flag down from there off the flagpole, burnt that flag and the Washington flag that was attached to it, Washington State flag, and then after that they broke a couple windows. I haven't seen any other fires started, but definitely some windows have been broken. Some more stuff getting thrown at windows. See if anything broke. Yep. That it did. Went through the window right there. Oh, it's still spider webbing. Like I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Sounds like it's ready to blow. All right. Some more stuff going on over here. Another garbage can. Breaking some more windows up here. Up that top one up there. 2 holes, 3 holes through there, 4 holes through there.
Yeah, watch out.
Police line's catching up.
I like that jacket.
Black Rock's getting smashed up now. Oh, sorry guys. That went right through. There's some more up here.
You get this window?
Yeah.
It's hard to tell the spider up. Oh, yeah.
There's a big old hole. I'm really surprised that they did that. Usually they don't do it when there's a camera right in front of them. Hesitated for a minute. All right, so Vancouver PD just declared this an unlawful assembly. There's a lot of glass getting broken up here, so. I love it.
But I got a bunch of shit hanging off mine. Yeah, you said you have 10 minutes of this burst?
All right, I'm gonna go down there, guys, and look for, it's always nice when other filmers come up and talk to me. There's some broken glass. Oh, there we go. Right over here. So people are running around now. Television company, similar to Fox. Yeah, I'm not telling them I'm with Fox. Ooh. So there's a whole group of people down here. So there's a large number of law enforcement that's hanging out here right now. So I'm just gonna cross the street. It's, they're facing that group that we were with there a little while ago. So all they're doing is they're just announcing, telling everybody it's time to go home. Thank you guys for your donations. It really means a lot. Especially with AntiFa, like honestly, like I'm super stoked and super surprised and amazed and just in awe that there's so many of you guys watching right now. I think we topped out at about 3.1 or 2,000 people watching. YouTube's been killing me this month. I'm down 73%. Helps us, I keep doing this. Makes it so it's buffering. Oh. All right, I'm gonna walk up around. Okay, awesome. But yeah, it really means a lot, guys. So I think I'm actually going to go home because it looks like this party's pretty much over. Everybody's kind of mellow. Yeah, they've actually done it before. Last time I talked about YouTube censoring me, they actually shut the stream down completely, and I couldn't get back into it. It was nothing but a blank screen for everybody still watching. It stayed that way for about an hour. It's horrible. Keep forgetting that part. He got yelled at. My car doesn't even have plates that are marked. It's cheating. There's a drone up here again. You guys see it up there flashing? Yeah, tomorrow's probably going to be about the same. Make sure you guys, I don't know, maybe. It varies once in a while. I can't stream a lot.
Oh, guys. They're going to get sued if they try to arrest press. And honestly, they are supposed to, they're supposed to give reasonable accommodations to press. That is part of their ruling on that. So that's why I'm still out there. But it actually looks like people are starting to go, so maybe we should just go around the block.
All right, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell. I do not live stream every event because it's just not safe for me to do so. It's going to be on Twitter that I was live streaming today, so it's never a good idea to live stream too much. So anyway, but hit that bell because no matter what, I'm sure there's going to be footage. I got other people that go out and stream too, so should be footage coming up if I am able. So hit the subscribe, hit the bell. No, there were no fires, just a bunch of broken windows. I'll see you guys later. Thank you all very, very much for your donations. Thank you very, very much for watching. Love you guys.